What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the North Woods. We are actually not starting a fishing video right now. I have a really big meeting with St. Croix this morning at 10 a.m. It was a 45-minute drive here, but I'm really excited. It is 9:45 and we're gonna be there in literally less than 3 minutes to kind of meet Steven and the rest of the team. I'm excited to kind of see like if we're gonna be seeing the rods made, things like that, but I'm also gonna be filming a video there. I talked to Steven just about like filming like a tour because a lot of people actually go here just to view this facility. So I'm excited to see the factory, see how everything's made. And I mean, I've been a diehard St. Croix fan since literally day one. Since I was a little kid, I've been using St. Croix because of my dad, and I actually brought my dad with me. He's driving right now. I'm excited, and it is game time right now. So we're pulling up, and we'll continue this video in just a few short seconds.
Discovered something very crucial in the construction of a blank. There's two big things. One of it is right here. So if you wrap your blank with a material, it doesn't like to come apart during the heating process. So what it combats is fiber wash. Fiber wash is the natural process of carbon fibers splitting apart when they get heat applied to them. The heat is the next process that we go through. So it's a two-step process.
All this, you can feel all the material still on there in its raw form, right? So then
all of that material has to get pulled off manually.
So
that's what this station comes off. That's what this station does. It gets pulled off. So
then we make our way this way.
So what this is this gentleman's blank sanding. So again, a hand sanding, a manual process. So what we do is we have a certain tolerance that our blanks are sanded to, and our previous sander had been here, I think Charlie was here for about 30 years, and during his retirement, it was kind of an apprenticeship to create the next Charlie. Thankfully, with our talented group of people here, really we had the opportunity to pull internally, and it's hard to imagine it, but there's like 3 or 4 guys that sand all these rods. It's a very manufacturing intensive process. That's the grit.
Oh, yeah, that's real fine.
So you're gonna shoot it through there. That's gonna sand the rod, and out will come basically, you know, the blank with all that extra material, those ridges taken off. You know, when they come out, you kind of feel that, see all that ridges are gone and everything, right? So now they're nice and smooth, right?
In regards to Park Falls, premieres are painted via squeegee. St. Croix South, Mojo Bass is painted with squeegee. But when you get to like Legend Tournament, Avid, the higher end, we still use a spray booth. So it's all automated and automatic spray booths that make sure we get our consistencies the same over and over again. You go to a retailer, for example, say you're going to your local Cabela's, okay, and you look up all these rods on the rack. You don't want any inconsistencies in the way the rod fishes, in the way the rod looks. You want the same thing over and over again, and that's what we strive to do, is to always have consistency in our rods.
One of our core values is if you have a rod that's your favorite rod, right? You just love that thing, and some freak thing happens and the rod breaks, right? We want you to be able to go back to the store, buy it that same rod, and it'll fish the exact same way. You know, I don't know if you've ever had a rod that you fished, it broke, you went to go buy that rod, and it just doesn't feel the same. Something's weird about it. You know, a lot of that is manufacturing processes that went wrong. And so for us, we want to make sure if that rod breaks or something happens, you lose it, you give it to a buddy, you can go buy that same rod and it fishes the exact same way and feels the same way in your hand.
The only thing we can't replicate is the fish slime. So what you see over here, this is where the more finesse side of the rod comes to the building process. You're going to see the handle pull down process. You're going to see the cleaning process, which is incredibly important in the build. You're going to see line winding. There's a story I tell everybody, and I'm proud to say that I am awful at line winding. Absolutely terrible.
So these guys back here spent a ton of time drilling out the handles on the cork for every rod for that specific diameter that needs to go on each one. So that's all done in-house here, which is also really neat.
So on every St. Croix, if you could look underneath your guides, there's black, you could shine a black light there and it would show up where your guide's supposed to go. That's how you get the rods to be consistent time and time again. There's no measuring, so like our winders aren't putting a ruler up there and putting a guide here. No, it's done with a black light. Because what you don't want to see, you know, if you're an angler, if you're a retailer, if you have them sitting on a rack at home, you don't want to see, you know, look at a bunch of rods that are the same length, power, and actions and watch the guides go like this. You want the guides to go straight. Everything should be the same over and over and over. This facility here is the same as our facility at St. Croix South. It's the same thing. The only difference is their building's nicer. I mean, it's the same thing over and over again. This is all raw componentry. These are all the pieces that make up rods. Legend Tournament muskie butt caps. Everything is here. This is all componentry. These cork boxes, all cork. Built to our spec. Blue bins are guides. It's all loads of componentry.
Hey, where's your fancy rod? I like to show her off a little bit. So this is what she does in her free time.
Oh,
She
damn.
does like
Oh, wow.
custom. So you could say she's pretty good at what she does.
That's insane.
So
That is
yeah. I'm guessing. What do you charge for something like this, Justina? Like $1,000?
Oh, those babies are expensive.
So she's very good at guide stuff. How long would it take you to do something like that?
Oh, that is.
Yeah.
It takes a good month. Yeah, just doing that. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a little bit of money, probably.
It's only like $3,000.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Well, when I win the lotto, I'll let you know.
Okay.
I want a custom recoil guide.
Dump feathers wrapped Zach Bird. Zach Bird.
What did he send you?
Oh.
Sent me covers in my hero.
Just now?
No, about a month ago or so.
Oh, no.
He's a big duck hunter, and that was good. So you see, guys are that duck.
What is that? Who's that?
Yeah, so she trains everybody. That's what a lot of people are doing back there.
It's kind of nice for the people what on the moment feel like that.
Right.
So it's
That's pretty slight.
you'll see all kinds of people.
That is it.
So outgoing and kind of.
Dang.
She's so fast. She makes it look easy, which is the problem.
What you see is rods go through a final QC step, and then they go into this step, whereas this is all the rods that are going out basically today. It's, again, we're kind of hitting this at a low time with break, but this is where you see rods getting put together into boxes. These are either going to retailers. My guess these are going to retailers. It's good to individuals, but the rods and the tubes are going to individuals. UPS, FedEx, and our favorite Speedy. So.
Guys, what an absolute crazy day. It was honestly just mind-blowing to see the rods get made. What an incredible experience, and I can officially say I am now sponsored by St. Croix Rods, a true dream sponsor that I've wanted my entire life. I'm very grateful. I want to say thank you to everyone over at St. Croix Rods. I'm sorry if I leave out your name, but I just want to say thank you to Ryan, Steven, Savannah, Jesse, all of you guys. You guys are awesome people. I can't wait to work with you and just see where this goes. So I thought the tour was really cool. Honestly, to see these rods get made was just absolutely mind-blowing. Like, just like how quality every rod is handcrafted. It's just crazy experience. You guys got to go there for yourself. Park Falls, Wisconsin. Tours restart June 1st, 2021, 2 times daily, 10 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. 10 people maximum per tour. Need to call 715-762-3225 extension 100. For the near future, all tours attendees will have a temp check and must be masked during the tour. As always, not open-toed shoes allowed on the tour. I honestly highly recommend you guys go check this out. It was crazy, guys, for real. I really had a great time there. And again, just a really cool experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please remember to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. 2 videos every single week, Tuesdays and Fridays at 6 o'clock p.m. And we are out.
Early mornings, late night cruising, up and down the Crystal Cove and through the uneasy stream. Bass fishing, Corona drinking, we're just out here catching the American dream. Lay back, relax, Mcgrath fishing is all you need.